Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a vessel from rice stick. So guys, check this out. First guys, you should find a rice stick, a good rice stick for a good sound to a vessel like this. I want to use this. Okay guys, now we have the rice stick, and then we'll cut this rice stick. You can use knife or cutter, or your hand. Cut like this, and now we're gonna push this like this. Make a four. Now like this. Then push. Before we use this wise tool, we must clean first. Clean the hole. Alright, the wise tool can be used now. It sounds like baby. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.